In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a support ticket on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This is our Discord, right? And if you previously joined the Discord server, right, and let's say you want to reach out to the team, they can tell you from the general chat to open a ticket, right? So as their support team can reach out to you. So in every Discord server, just look for the ticket channel, right? So this is the ticket channel. Just click on it. Right now you can see there's a ticket to option here, right? And just click on this create ticket, right? Right now, once you have created this ticket, you're gonna be in touch with the support team from this Discord server. And I think this Discord server has, I think, more than 50,000 people, right? I'm just giving an instance. So yeah, this is basically how you can keep in touch with the support team. So support will be with you shortly, right? You can see this is what I just told you, right? It's basically how you can create or open a support ticket right here in Discord. If you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you in the very next video.